Hello everybody, here's my latest piece, pelicans, as you can see. Now, as you probably remember, I like birds that are funny, like toucans, flamingos, dodos, peacocks, and of course, pelicans. Now, I don't have any pelicans in the studio at the moment, but I did do one like this with fish in his mouth, and it was very popular. So I thought I'd try again, but this time with two of them, because it's quite funny if they're smiling at each other. So the orange and the blue are complementary, of course, opposite on the colour wheel. That's what making it stand out so much. And each pelican is just one fusion. So this whole quite big mosaic just consists of two fusions and a bunch of blue tiles. That's it. It really is that simple. I love it though. And as usual, I've written a verse to help explain what I'm trying to say. And it goes like this. Can pelicans fall in love? Can pelicans fall in love? Is it their dearest wish? Or when they come to smile at each other, is it all about the fish?